How to fix YouTube is not available in this region on your Android device. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is press and hold on the YouTube app, click on the option app info. Now navigate to the option permissions. Make sure you have allowed it all the permissions. Just click on each of the option from not allowed it and set it to allow. Then you can head back. Now navigate to the option storage. Now click on this option clear cache. With this, your YouTube should work. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, whether you are using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Likewise, update your YouTube. For that, launch your Play Store, search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these solutions, your problem might be fixed. Now YouTube should work. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.